Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the top 3 mistakes beginners make in the stock market. So a few of these are mistakes that I've made and a lot of other beginners make as well when they're first getting started in the stock market. If you enjoy the video, all I ask is that you hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And with that being said, I hope you enjoy the video. So the first mistake that a lot of beginners make in the stock market is not diversifying their portfolio. So what this means is that a lot of beginners tend to put all their money in one stock and they hope that they could get a high return on investment. I don't agree with this because you might get lucky one time, maybe a second time, but eventually you will lose a substantial amount of money. I recommend putting your money in a few different stocks so that if one stock goes down, then you'll have the other one to bring it back up. And you're likely to make a lot more money in the long run. The second mistake that a lot of beginners make in the stock market is thinking that it's easy to make money. Knowing what the company does isn't enough to determine if it's a good or bad investment. For example, just because you know that Starbucks sells coffee, it doesn't mean it's a good investment. You have to put in the time, you have to research the companies the right way, read the balance sheets, the income statements, the cash flow statements, check the dividend yield. Once you research the company and understand what the company is about, then you could decide if it's a good investment. So another mistake that a lot of beginners make in the stock market is selling their positions in a company just because the stock price is going down. Just because there's a stock market crash or stock falls 5-10%, it doesn't mean it's a bad company. If you hold during a stock market crash, there's a 90% chance that the stock will go back up to its original price or more in the next few years. You shouldn't sell unless the company is going to go bankrupt. I recommend investing a fixed amount of money every month in the stock market because it's the easiest way and it has very low risk. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to link my favorite book on investing in the description below. And I will see you in the next video.